Alright guys, so you wanna know the difference between concrete drill bit and metal drill bit. Alright, so here's the concrete. Yeah, and here's the metal. So yeah, concrete drill bit. Notice that tip of it looks more like an hammerhead shark looking tip. Yeah. Yeah, so you know that's for concrete. Yeah. So yeah. And is this is for metal. Yeah, here's the tip. It's more round with some little edges there. So yeah, and here the spiral doesn't really spiral is not really for cutting. That's for removing the excess material that the tip of it will be cutting. Yeah, it goes for all a little bit. So some of them might say spiral looks different. Just got the tip. Tip is a more important aspect of it, as yeah, as I already told you, this is for removing material. So um yeah, the metal drill bit. Yeah, so yeah, this particular one is made of cobalt, cobalt. That's it's a better material than steel. It would take a little bit longer too for the take a little bit longer for a tip to get dull. But yeah, this is a steel drill bit. Yeah, like if you wanna drill stuff every day, you look at cobalt bit or titanium. Titanium is one of the hardest metals. So yeah, it won't get dull. Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive. Like you see a pack of steel bits like this. So a pack of 10 for like $10. You see the same pack of 10, and it's titanium. Might cost like 18 or $22. Cause as I said, titanium titanium bits are good, especially for everyday use. So yeah, metal bits, round tip, and concrete bits with a hammerhead looking tip. Ah, so that's that. Like, subscribe, share, do what you gotta do.